It's amazing how plant protein just sparks so much debate because there is a belief that animal protein is a lot better than plant protein. There's so much perception out there that, okay, what gives me the best results? What allows me to build the most muscle? Which allows me to lose weight? It's always the topic of discussion. Well, not everybody's trying to be the athlete.
But even if you're trying to be the athlete, I've seen many athletes on whether it's on social media, on TV, that eat plant protein, and they look no different.
Yeah, but maybe animal protein is better, Miss Tracy. You just don't know. That's what we got to get into.
Well, I will say they do look different. Some of them look older.
There's a lot of, yeah, definitely a lot of information that can happen there. But yeah, people want to build muscle. They got to eat a lot of meat to build muscle. Some people think you got to eat protein and stay away from carbs to lose weight.
I hear that a lot too.
But the
It's
one
like
thing,
they don't want, they're scared to even touch healthy whole grain carbs or healthy natural carbs, right? Such as beans, sweet potatoes, regular potatoes. They're scared of it.
the starch is like it puts on weight.
Yeah.
So you eat protein to lose the weight because of whatever reason.
And no carbs.
No carbs.
Yeah.
But the one thing I do not hear this conversation around is what happens if your goal is to improve your health. Have you
Well,
heard that?
No, I have never heard that. It's like, I don't even think people think about that.
Because there is a common belief that animal protein is superior than the plant protein.
I guess people think because it's a complete protein, but they think it's superior, but it's not, because you can get the same thing from plants.
Can you? You think so? No, because I
Yes.
want to be healthy. I want to be strong. I got to get my animal protein. I got to eat my meat. Meat's the complete food.
Yes, but there's some downsides to eating a lot of meat or getting a lot of protein.
So you tell me there's some benefits, some risks eating plant protein
Yeah.
versus animal protein?
Yes, there is no, in my mind, I have never seen any risk in eating plant protein only. I've seen risk in eating animal protein. It's good for you. Yes, it's a complete protein. Yes. However, there's risks with that.
We're about to challenge her belief right about here and now, because ultimately it comes down to understanding what you're just talking about and making informed decisions about health and what you put in your body.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
But as we discuss this, we always talk about, well, we don't hear about the plant protein. Yeah, I need my meat to be strong. If you look, we are in a culture of protein.
Yeah.
Protein. Like you said it, you got to get your protein. Got to get your protein. Okay. Well, let's tell you. Let's do this. Let's break it down. Some pros and cons around some of the things you were talking about.
Okay.
Compare plant protein and animal protein. So when I think about plant protein versus animal protein, the first thing I think about is, amino acids.
Okay.
Acids.
Acidic.
Which ones are acidic though?
The animal.
Yes, it's more acidic.
Yeah.
Do you know why?
Why?
Because they have the sulfur-containing amino acids.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
And when you break down sulfur, you can have sulfuric acid in your system, which creates a body which needs to balance itself, buffer itself. And you know how it buffers itself?
How?
By taking calcium from the bones.
Oh, and what is that? That's a big one. That's people-
Osteoporosis.
Exactly. As people get older,
So
right?
imagine eating so much meat over 20, 30, 40, 50 years, 60 years. Soon, your buffer capacity begins to be minimized.
Oh, hello, keto diet.
Yeah. But also, because you have to excrete all this, the organs that excrete are kidney and liver.
Oh, now is that why so many people have kidney stones?